Hi all, welcome to Vision Board community. And today I'm inviting to Feroz. So basically, why we invited to Feroz means whatever the struggle he faced, how to crack the better opportunities in the market. So Feroz, I just want to know about inspiration story. So I think maybe it will be motivating to many people.
Yeah. Hi, Devi. Actually, on November 17th, my company was suddenly shut down. So I stuck here and I faced a lot of struggles like where I need to learn and where I need to upgrade myself.
Okay,
Suddenly, I
which
found,
technology, Feroz, you worked actually? What was the reason startup was shut down?
yeah, like previously I worked as a Python developer and
Okay.
some data also as a data analyst I worked also. And
Uh-huh.
suddenly due to some project shutdown, suddenly my company was shut down.
Okay.
So I lost my job and suddenly I don't know where to go and where to learn a lot of things and where to upgrade myself.
Mm-hmm.
Suddenly I found vision board from my friend's suggestion, so I joined here and I got sudden response from you and very you motivate me in the first call. So I
Mm-hmm.
joined here and I learned a lot of things about data engineering and I this is my second interview actually. TCS is
Mm.
my second interview. First
Oh.
interview I went to Deloitte and in the third round I cleared third round. I cleared second round also. I
Uh-huh.
shocked really how I
Okay.
cleared. They were asking in beside me there is lot of peoples from the MNC. They have worked in the real projects and production also. In that busy also I suddenly go to the second round. I also cleared the second round also. So I
Mm.
really shocked. In third round, I got rejected,
Oh,
but
okay.
after that, I message you and you motivate me more.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
yeah, after that I went to TCS interview. I cleared all the rounds and I got the
Okay.
offer letter also.
Oh, okay, okay. And that is like this gap will not be an issue, right? For the 6 months of gap.
No, actually, I got the offer letter in the previous month only.
Okay. Uh-huh. Okay. That is
I
completely.
think delay is happening due to BGV is ongoing, so
Mm, mm-hmm.
delay is
Okay.
happening.
Yeah, yeah. And for example, we are making this kind of a transition, right? Even the laid off thing also. How many hours you put effort, Viros, to learning the things?
Uh, Daily 4 to 5 hours
Oh, daily 4 to 5 hours you invested yourself, right, for learning purposes.
because it
Now
is
that,
but
uh,
it is purely new to me to learn all the
oh,
data pipelines, all these things.
okay, okay. And coming into the interview, any preparation you did, like an in front of the mirror preparation, anything you did from your end, because I already mentioned in the classes also, right?
Yeah, nothing from my end, like nothing I do YouTube, all the things. I just prepared whatever your documents you shared to me and
Mhm.
whatever the classes you shared to me. That's only I prepared and I cracked this.
Okay, okay, completely fine. That is really good because that fully you are dedicated to 4 to 5 hours to complete learning, right?
Yeah.
That is the reason. Otherwise, people will not be able to clear in the specific span of time. Okay, that is completely fine. And any other thing, any other thing you want to share with the people who want to transition, because obviously the motivation, help, these all are the part of our journey. So if someone is really struggle, what is the real motivation you can able to give? How to prepare and how to do the things and all.
Yeah. Hi guys, the vision board is a not a fake one, it's a purely real one. And if you have a time, at least 2 hours per day, and go to vision board and join in that and prepare as they will. Our classes is there and daily they are motivating us, daily they are giving classes to us. So prepare the classes and prepare the documents that they have shared. Nothing do more things like going from YouTube and other things. Just prepare whatever the documents shared from the vision board and crack the job.
Oh,
That's it.
thanks for us because we are also putting that much of effort to placing everyone. Even
Yeah.
after the course, also we are moving into the because why people are coming, obviously they need a job. So maximum whatever I can give you, we as a team we are trying to. Who was the point of contact that time? Actually, yeah.
think Rahima is the point of contact for me.
Rahim or for the point of contact. Okay, okay, fine, fine. I think that is really good. The people are getting the offer letter. They also, these consistency mentors also really happy.
Yeah.
And that is
Main point
really
is
good.
the continuous mentorship they will. They are
Uh-huh.
daily they are asking
Messaging,
for
right?
the update also.
Because that is needed in case we are demotivated, right? Someone will support you. Automatically, we are back on the track actually. So learning, everyone is learning, but very less people are getting the good offers and they can able to come back on the track. So I am also really grateful your effort, you're landing into the job, and you're sharing your experience to the people also, Firoz. And and one more thing, and after the 6 months, just focus more on the Gen side also. And we can see the better package. How much package these people, in percentage wise, how much you got, Firoz?
I got nearly 60%.
60%. Okay, fine. Because the 6 months gap or a 5 months gap was there. That was the reason.
Yeah,
But if you after the 6 months or after the 1 year, you want to next level, you want to an upgrade yourself, you want to switch the company, obviously will be getting 100 or 200 percentage. If you have a multiple offer letter only, we can able to negotiate with the companies.
yeah,
Maybe if you got that Deloitte offer letter, right, we can able to negotiate with these companies and all. That is completely fine. Anyway, thanks for sharing your insight, Firoz. I
thank
think
you.
team please use this kind of a words also. Just keep consistently preparing every day. The result will be coming. That is the main motto. Thanks, Firoz. Thank you.
Thank you.